Hi family, I am extremely excited you're here today to watch this tutorial. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is spray your hair with water, then apply your gel and smoothen it using your hairbrush to make it smooth. The main actual here is your wool, your yarn wool. That's what you need. So you're going to arrange it in the way you normally arrange your extensions to make braids. So you're just going to braid it in large sections. I sectioned my hair into 6 boxes, although the front is still braided, but you get the gist now. You're just going to braid it. Don't worry if your hair is slipping out of the braid because there's no mirror behind me, so I didn't even see that until I was done braiding. But don't worry, we're still going to cover this up. So braid it till you get to the point where you want to stop, and just take a new piece of wool to tie it down. Beautiful to me. I hope you see. To all my beautiful little brown girls, please know that you are strong enough to conquer the world, and realize that you're melanated, educated, often imitated. But so there's something I forgot to mention. When cutting your wool, you're going to cut it into 2 separate parts. One part is going to be extremely long, then the other part is going to be like a medium length part. The medium length part is the one we use to braid the hair, and the extreme hair is the one we're going to be using to thread around the braided hair. So you're just going to thread it all the way down just to cover up the braided hair underneath, and to cover up any hair, any of your hair strand you have outside. You're going to cover it up. Now this hair is really heavy, and I'm not going to lie to you guys. When you're done threading, what you want to do is bring in a new piece and tie it down so it doesn't unravel. You know, I keep telling you to tie it down, so make sure you tie it down. It's extremely important. Happy with your kinky curls, your blackness out in the world. I hope you hear me, little brown girl. So make sure to keep watching until we get to the other section of this tutorial, the styling. This is where I show you how to style this amazing work of art you've created. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. That little brown girl, I just want you to know it's okay for your nose to have a little bulge. Ain't nothing wrong with having bigger nostrils. Little brown girl, you are so beautiful to me. I hope you see. Hey, that little brown girl, I just want you to see that if your gums aren't pink and your edges aren't asleep, that don't mean you're any less pretty. Hey, that little brown girl, I just want you to see that you are a queen from your crown to your feet. You are the essence of beauty. Little brown girl, you are so beautiful to me. I hope you see. To all my beautiful little brown girls, please know that you are strong enough to conquer the world, and realize that you're melanated, educated, often imitated, but you're never duplicated. So believe me when I say that you are powerful, you are worthy, and if you're passionate, it doesn't mean you're angry. So keep your head up and let your voice be heard, cause you are everything and more that this world needs. Little brown girls, you are so beautiful. So this is it, the complete work of art you just created, and I'm so excited. I love it. This is it. This is what the back is looking like. This is it. It's not equal, but it's still looking good. So this is how you just style it. You can bend it however you want to, and it's going to stay. So what I'm doing now is bringing the one at the back of my head to the front, and I'm going to wrap this up using one strand of wool to create that connectivity, the connections between two hairs. Yeah. So I'm just going to connect it, and it's going to stay, it's going to sit right in place. Make it tight, but be careful to not make it too tight. You don't want to have scalp pain or headaches from doing this. So you're just going to wrap it around the hair at the front, just to create that shape, that nice looking ellipse shape you want, or whichever shape you feel like creating. You can just do it this way, and it's going to stay. It's not going to fall off, it's going to stay. This is it. This is what the back is looking like. This is what I'm talking about. So you can use it to create different shapes, to take nice pictures, maybe for your model shoots or for your birthday shoots, or if you want something dramatic to go to an event, you can actually do this. This is like an extreme elaborate African hairstyle. So like I said, connect it to any of the hairs or any location you want to place it. Connect it with using one strand of wool, and take the strand of wool you used to hold it round the other hair you're connecting it to. Make sure you're doing it at the roots of the hair and not at the body. So this way you are going to create like a nice looking connection and a nice looking shape of hair using wool. This is what celebrities do, and since you are also a celebrity, you can do this too. Let me know in the comment section if this is something you want to try, or if it's way too dramatic for you, or if it's too much, or if it's going to be too heavy. Let me know what your thoughts are. That if you watch this video to this very position, I love you so much. So here I am trying to connect the two large parts. Okay, so I ran out of wool and I decided to just manage what I have. So just connect it. When connecting this, make sure you use enough wool to cover it up so it doesn't show and it doesn't look as rough as this is looking. This is my first time doing this, so bear with me. If you still want me to create something else, maybe a different shape, let me know in the comment section. And voila, this is it. So I'm just going to call my sister to help me trim these things off. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.